Hi, I'm Michael Signage, one of the owners of Worker Bee. And Worker Bee makes a skincare line for beeswax and raw honey from the beehive. And we also work with our own bees here in Minnesota, and then we source honey from 60 or 70 beekeepers all over the world. And that leads to an ever-changing honey counter with kind of a running group of 30 or 40 honeys all the way up to about 80 in the holidays. And so we really needed a way to bring this huge collection of honey and kind of interface it with the customer. So we worked with Alex with RealEyes to do a multiple screen display with a tablet interface, so the staff at any time can call up a specific honey from a specific location, push a couple of buttons, and have a map of the screen, and then a description of that honey as well behind the staff. And so we can link one honey to the next, and you can see the map change as the location changes. And this takes a really big, kind of wide-reaching collection of honey and brings it right to something that a customer can understand. We run a couple of stores. One's a fairly large store, and we can manage this interaction, much easier. But the reason we really got this project going, we have a 200 square foot store in a food hall, and so that really kind of necessitated, space was the issue. So this is a way to bring all those varieties in a way the customer can understand, and the staff can talk educatedly about honey from Uruguay versus honey from Minnesota or Florida or Spain or wherever it happens to be that day. We can upload the slides remotely and put new honeys in and take honeys out as the collection changes, which is also very important. We're a unique store, so we needed a kind of a unique interface to do that. So this is just the beginning of the project as well, so more to come.